Your call is very important to us. All sales associates at this location are currently assisting other customers over the phone. There is one customer ahead of you.
Here we go.
Hello, Big.
Hi, how are you?
Pretty good.
Alright, that's good. I'm looking to get some appliances, like a microwave or refrigerator. Do you guys have those there?
Yes, we do.
And how much are those?
Well, they range in prices depending on the ones you want to go with.
Just the cheapest.
The cheapest microwave would be around $60, really small, like 0.7 cubic feet, and yeah, not too powerful. And hey, what did she say? Refrigerator? Or?
Yeah, a refrigerator.
A refrigerator can range anywhere from 400 to 4,000.
Ooh, man. Do they run?
Say what?
Do they, like, work? Do they run?
Yeah.
Well, then you better go catch them.
Okay. Any more questions?
No, that's about it. I'll probably be in later. Pick one up.
Okay.
Look around. Thanks for helping
Alrighty.
me.
No problem. You have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Bye.
That was completely unexpected. I thought that guy was totally gonna be like, oh man, that's stupid, and just hang up.